guys, it's Morgan with The Life in Crafting, and this week I have a super fun collab with Jamie and the husband from What Jamie's Making. We're both taking these adorable Dollar Tree Easter signs, still keeping it Easter, but giving it a whole new feel. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now let's get to crafting. I'm super excited to see what Jamie and the husband from What Jamie's Making is going to create with this Dollar Tree Easter sign. I've added a link in the description to their video and channel. These Easter signs are some of my favorite Dollar Tree items. I absolutely love the shape of these signs and think they're super versatile for any season or home decor. Today, I'm stepping out of my comfort zone and making Shabby Chic Decor. The first step is to paint the sign black. I'm using Folk Art chalk paint. Such a big fan of this paint and love that it is able to cover the piece in just one coat. Once the black paint is dry, I'm going to distress it by dry brushing on white paint. Make sure you only grab a little paint on your brush. Use light strokes to instantly aid your project. Next, I'm going to paint these wood carrot cutouts from Dollar Tree. I'm using white paint as a base coat. While working on this piece, I thought that the white carrots didn't really fit with the shabby chic theme, so I decided to distress it a little. To do that, I mixed a little bit of water and brown paint to create a faux stain to add to the carrots. Then I wiped it off with paper towel for an aged look. I was super happy with the results and did this step 2 times. Now that all of the pieces are done, it's time to assemble the project. I cut out a rectangle of this beautiful scrapbook paper from Joanns to add to the bottom of the piece. To attach it, I'm using the adhesive spray glue from Dollar Tree. Next, I'm applying a carrot patch decal that I cut out with my Cricut. Now I'm going to attach the wood carrots to the piece with hot glue. I wanted to add some depth to the carrots, so I took some brown paint and added some light markings on the top. I've had this faux velvet yarn from Dollar Tree sitting in my stash for months, and I'm excited to finally put it to use. I used a wood skewer to help feed the yarn through these wood beads that I picked up on Amazon. It made stringing up the beads a lot easier. Once all 3 beads are on, I'm going to attach it to the piece with hot glue. These metal clamps from Dollar Tree are a complete game changer. No more hot glued fingertips, which I'm very excited about. To complete this project, I'm going to add some brown paint to the sides of the carrots. I think this helps to define them and stand out. Check out the finished product. I hope you enjoyed this collab with Jamie and the husband from What Jamie's Making. I'm Morgan with The Life in Crafting. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.